Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload any code to your GitHub repository. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are on the main GitHub page. All you have to do is go to the top right, and then from here you're going to go to your repositories. Now you can either select from one of the existing repositories that you have and add on it, or you can add a brand new code by going back, and then from here you can click on new on the left section. Now as you can see, you can have all the details necessary. So for example, here I'm going to say my code, and then you can add whatever description that you might like, make it public or make it private. So for example, I'm going to keep this one private, and then you can add a readme file where you can add any notes for anyone that is opening this file and directory to read them and read your code. Now from here, you're going to create a repository. And now as you can see, we have this brand new one where we can go from code. And then from here, you're going to go add file. And then you're going to create new file. Now you can either fill in your code right here by opening another folder, such as this one right here, where all you have to do is select everything and then right click and then go to copy. And then from here, you can paste it. And now you have a new code folder in this file right here, and you can name it whatever you want, such as cnn.py, and then you can commit changes. And then from here, you're going to click commit. Or you have another option where you can add file and then upload files. And then from here, you can select the same file that you have wanted to choose from your computer directory, such as this one. And then from here, you can add a description and then commit changes, and that is it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.